Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Varquidia and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have more energy than ever because guess what? Drum roll please. Give me a drum roll. I'm moving into my very first apartment. Well, you probably already see it on the title, but whatever. I'm moving into my very first apartment by myself and I'm just super excited because I've been waiting for this forever and the time has finally come. So I'm just so thankful. I feel very blessed and I'm just so excited for this new journey and I can't wait to bring you guys along. So I figured today I'm actually getting my keys, so I figured I'd bring you along and show you an empty apartment tour. So yeah, you guys, stay tuned and make sure you like this video, you comment down below, and you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because there's gonna be a lot of, like, you know, apartment decor, shopping hauls, decorating, all of that good stuff. So please stay tuned and yeah, let's just jump right into the video.
Love it when you whine like that. Love it when you whine all the time. Baby, you the truth and I don't lie like that. Love it when you whine like that.
Hey guys, so right now I'm going to show you guys the apartment tour. It's all empty. So before we start moving, I just wanted to get this out the way. And I got my handsome little nephew here with me. He wanted to help me, so I brought him along. But let's just get right into it. So once you walk up the stairs, I'm in the second floor. So you walk in right straight to the dining room area. It's pretty spacious. And I like that it has a big window for natural light. But yeah, it's pretty big here. And then once you come this way, to my right, I have, Adrian, what are you doing? Come here, help me. There's two big closets right here. So as you can see, this is for laundry and washer hookups. But it's pretty big and I'm probably gonna use it as like a pantry and things like that. You know, the basic stuff here. These cabinets, I don't like them. They look old as hell, but this wasn't the apartment they showed me, but I guess we just gonna, you know. And it even got a white refrigerator.
And it has a white refrigerator. I was like, oh, not a white refrigerator. Girl, please put your shoes on. Let's go find you a home, honey. Ooh.
The little, like, kitchen area is not too bad, and I don't be doing that much cooking anyway, so it's perfect for me. Right here, next to the dining room, another big closet. And this is really what sold me for the apartment, was all of the closet space, because, you know, your girl got a lot of clothes and a lot of things that I just be having, so I need all the closet space I can get, okay? Once you come straight this way, you walk into the living room. I like that it's carpet and they're freshly cleaned. I guess they deep cleaned them and everything like that since I was moving in. And then, yeah, it's pretty big. It has one window. I wish it had more window for more natural lighting, and you'll get closer for more natural lighting, but I guess, you know, it is what it is. Again, another closet. So this is like a coat closet or whatever. It's pretty big as well. As you can see, I fit here almost like completely, like, so it's pretty spacious. Then yeah, you walk, this is the living room. Only one window, like, I need all the natural lighting I could get. To my left, this way, I have another bedroom. I have a 2-bedroom, 2 baths, but I'm gonna end up just having this room as like a guest room / office, and like I'm gonna set up a little vanity here, makeup vanity, things like that, because yeah, it was honestly cheaper to get a 2-bedroom, 2 bath versus a 1-bedroom apartment. So that's what I did. More space is never bad. So it also has a big closet again, from side to side. It's pretty big, like I mentioned, so like I'm not gonna have to worry about space at all, because like I said, it's huge. So yeah, this is gonna be like the little office space. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Probably put like a table here, and maybe like a vanity over this way. I don't really know yet how I'm gonna set everything up, but I also want like a pink girly couch maybe, or like 2 accent chairs. I'm not too sure what I'm gonna do, but we'll see.
With a computer.
Yeah, maybe a chair with my computer, like my nephew
said.
said.
With a table also.
Once you walk straight out of that room. To my right, I have a bathroom. This is gonna be the guest bathroom. So it has a full bath, a toilet, like all bathrooms do, and then the cabinet space. The cabinet are the same like the ones in the kitchen, which are ugly as well. But there's space down there, and I mean, I guess you can't really do much. And it has a vanity, so I really like that. Anyways, the bathroom here is pretty big, and I was gonna use this as a guest bathroom, so whenever people come, they don't have to go into my bathroom. And then you walk into my room, boo-boo, my room. Again, one window. I'll probably put my bed here or something. Don't know how I'm gonna decorate it yet. But Adrian, run from side to side so they can see how big the closet is. Go, go, go. It's pretty big, like you can see. It's like the other one, and that one also has shelves in there for
oh yeah, storage. On this side.
Hold on, open. Yeah, this side it has storage. So,
and this bottom one we can hide?
Yeah, Adrian even can hide there, so when he comes over, he can hide from his mom, so he can stay with me forever, right? He's excited that I'm moving. He already asked if he can stay over. I don't know about all that, but we gonna see. Anyways, you come right into the master bathroom, I guess. It has the same vanity, which I like. Adrian, my nephew, already broke this, so I'm gonna just have to call them and tell them to fix that. But again, the same cabinets. It has a lot of space, so honestly, space is not gonna be my problem in this apartment. Thank God, because I have a lot of crap. Anyways, it has a new toilet. It still even has the clear plastic on it, which means my ass is gonna be the first one on that shit, okay? And then I was pissed about this, y'all, but I guess I'm gonna have to get over it because I'm not gonna start this new journey upset, even though I already was upset and I was gonna have a whole mental breakdown. I'm actually waiting for them to call me to see what they're gonna do, because the apartment is not what they told me it was gonna be. The cabinets in the kitchen and all around the apartment are completely different. They're dark wood and I don't like them. And this bathroom, the master bathroom, actually has a stand-up shower, and that's not what they told me. It was supposed to have a tub. So if you come this way, it has a shower to take in here. It's a regular schmegular stand-up shower, but I don't like these. Like, this just looks real college dorm like, and I don't like it. But yeah, it's a regular shower.
Still works.
Yeah, it works, but it's not what they told me I would get. The apartment that I saw had the shower, the tub right here, and it was like this was not here. So it was like a tub, and that's not what I got. So yeah.
But it's still fine.
My sister's calling me, so I'll answer her in a little bit. But yeah, it's still fine. Yeah, you're right, Adrian. It's still fine, but it's just not what they told me. But yeah, this room is kind of spacious. It's not that big, honestly. Honestly, it's really not that big. It would probably only fit a bed, 2 nightstands, and then like a dresser or something. It doesn't have that much space, but it's perfect for me, and it's not my first apartment.
It can fit 2
Adrian, and since I do have 2 rooms, and I have a lot of closet space, it shouldn't be an issue. But again, there's the bathroom. So quickly, the bathroom, the guest room or office space, whatever you want to call it, the living room, this way, the living room. Again, my brother's behind the camera, so let's hope this is good. And then the dining room, which I'm planning on getting like a glass table and then 4 upholstered chairs. But yeah, you guys, that's it for the apartment tour. Stay tuned for more content, and hopefully we got more content coming. I don't know, but you want to say bye, Adrian? Come here. I'm gonna say bye to my YouTube channel. What do you gotta tell them? Bye. Tell them to subscribe to my channel, to make sure they hit that like button to subscribe, and
our channel.
To subscribe to me and my nephew's channel. But yeah, subscribe, you guys, and make sure you like it, comment down below, and stay tuned for more apartment content. Bye.